Afternoon students, this is Saboni Dhara welcoming you all over here. Today we were going to start with another topic of the scientific management. In the last video lectures we have gone through with the life story of Taylor and his scientific management. Next we have gone through with the principles of scientific management. Today we will going to see about different techniques of scientific management. What it is, its own importances, its own methods. Technique means methods, different methods, which is used in scientific management. So let's start and begin with my session. So students, the very first technique of scientific management is about work study. So what do you mean by work study? Work study means in an organization when the management is assigning some work to the workforce on that particular time. Before assigning the work, the management, the manager, the superior must go through about the work, what he wished to assign to the workforce, what kind of features working is there, how much time period it will going to require, how many and how much materials it will require. So all these points he has to note down minutely and study. So the very first point here is the management need to first study about that particular work before assigning to the workforce. Basically, the managers need to study about it, and then only he will going to come to know that which kind of studies and what kind of a work he has to assign with whom or to whom. On the other hand, work study is further divided into main 4 categories. They are, so the work study is further divided into 4 subparts. The very first one is time study, method study, motion study, and the lastly fatigue study. In this particular studies, we will going to see one by one. Let's start with the first sub option, that is time study. Time study means what? It means the task, the work which is going to be assigned by the management to the ultimate workforce or to their subordinates by the management. They need to see at what is the time limit and at which time the work can be completed. It is one kind of an measurement of all the elements to complete a task, a given task by the manager to their employees. So it is a very crucial study wherein the management need to focus on the time management, on the time study. Once the management will going to study about the time, how much time is required to complete this given task to the employee, the efficiency, the perfectness, the cost of the work will be determined clearly, and due to which our organization can achieve their goals. So basically, in short, we can state that management need to focus first work study is that time study. I guess this point is clear to you. The very next one is method study. Method study means what? Basically, there are various kinds of methods to be used by the managers while selecting the nature of the work given by the management to him to implement on the employees. But on the other hand, due to this particular method study, the efficiency of the work, the maximum utilization of the resources, and also by not consuming so much time is the basic points which the managers need to focus on this all. But this is a very challenging task for a manager to make or to find it out different ways, different methods of making possible to do that work, complete it within that stipulated period of time, without wastage, without wasting time, without wasting of materials, with an efficient work, and also with the dedicated staff. The third one is motion study. The word motion means what? Motion means movement, correct? So in the organization, a manager need to focus to his workforce as well as the all kinds of machineries to move. With the movement of the organizations, with the workforce which he has assigned to his workforce, the work which he has assigned, the task which he has assigned, he need to take it into consideration. He has to think about it. It is a very crucial point where the employees as well as the machineries is on movement. It is totally depend on the work nature, the nature of the work which is assigned to them. And it is very crucial because in which the managers will going to eliminate all the unnecessary movements in the organization. So basically, this particular study is very much important by the managers because it comes up with the efficiency, the level of work done by the employees through the given machine in that stipulated period of time. So basically it is very, very important to do such things. The very last point is about fatigue study. Now what do you mean by fatigue? The word fatigue. The word fatigue means, it implies about the stress, the overtime, the working condition, poor working condition, no breaks, over target. So these all conditions in which the employees is facing the problems. So these all conditions are called as what? Fatigue. So in this particular study, a manager need to focus that these all fatigues should not be there in the environment of work, or you can say working environment. Because if this will happen, the employee will be under the pressure of physical as well as mental. To make them free from mentally and from physically, the manager need to work on it. He has to see whether the working conditions of the employees is good or not. If it is not, then he has the right to go ahead with the management and talk about it. He has the duty to do this. Because management, top level management, they won't come in the factory to see whether the laborers or the workers or the subordinators are in good conditions. It is going to be taken care by only a manager or the supervisor, or you can say in charge of that particular hierarchy. So it is very, very important to understand this particular conditions which will break down the mental as well as the physical of the workforce in the organization. Hence, a manager need to study about fatigue study. So with this, we have done all the 4 methods of work study. So students, with this we have completed all our 4 sub-points of the work study. In the upcoming lecture, we will going to start with the next points and try to cover up all the techniques of scientific methods. I hope so you understood my lecture. Thank you so much for your precious time. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you.